Hey guys, welcome back to Zach Vlog. So today we're gonna do stabilizer links on my car here. It's been getting really loose, I guess you'd say. It sways a lot. I also need bushings. They're on their way. I don't know when they're gonna come, and I have a license test to do. So I need my car to not make as much noise as it's making. Hopefully the stabilizer links do it. If not, hopefully the bushings get here on time. Anyway, I'm gonna jack up the car and we'll get started. Alright, so we can see the linkage here, down to there. This one doesn't look too bad. The boot on them are all ripped up and just best to replace them. I think it's mainly the bushings making the noise. These bushings back here. But these are nice and accessible. We'll do these today. So we're just going to take this linkage off. They're going to mostly be different. This one I got to use a socket on the front and hold the bolt in the back. And that's that one. I'll do the same thing on the bottom. Okay guys, so I got it all loosened up here. I'm just gonna pop that one out, and that one out, and that's the old one out. Now we're gonna take our new one, take these nuts off, and I'm going to put some thread locker blue on there. Fit the new one in where the old one was. And it's just that simple. Now we put on the new bolt. Or nut. And then this one's a little different and it's a different size. So this one's an 18. And I can actually use this right in the face of this one. Put this in behind. And just tighten. Alright, so we got the new ones in there. Oh, this side anyway. Top and bottom's way down. There it is. I'll go do the other side and then I'll get some grease in them and then I'll go for a test drive. Alright guys, so we got both sides done. I went and took her for a drive and oh, I feel so much better. I've got the old one sitting here. If we look at these, let's look at this one first. So, if we look at this one, it doesn't seem too bad actually. This was the passenger side, I think. Not too bad, really. But the driver's side, real loose. Shouldn't be able to move that so easily. This one's pretty difficult to move back and forth, but it's still way too easy. Those new ones I can barely move. Should have shown you on camera beforehand. But the next few days, hopefully, depending on shipping, I should be doing bushings, and I guess I'll do a video about that. Why not? Anyway, it's getting pretty late. I'm gonna have a beer or two, and I'm gonna go to bed. Have a good one, guys.